When we truly believe and receive Jesus, what comes into our flesh?
But as many as received him, to them gave he power to become the sons of God, even to them that believe on his name, which were born not of blood, nor of the will of the flesh, nor of the will of man, but of God. And I will pray the Father, and he shall give you another Comforter, that he may abide with you forever, even the Spirit of truth, whom the world cannot receive, because it seeth him not, neither knoweth him. But ye know him, for he dwelleth with you, and shall be in you. Jesus answered and said unto him, If a man love me, he will keep my words, and my Father will love him, and we will come unto him, and make our abode with him.
There's two things to highlight here. One, you receive the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. By receiving Jesus, you receive the Father and the Holy Spirit as well. Two, you receive power. This power that Jesus gives you enables you to become a child of God. It's like if you were found guilty of being at war with the government of your country, and instead of receiving the death penalty, the leader of your country decided that he would suffer the punishment in your place and give you the choice to be a full member of his family with the right to inherit all that belongs to him.